How to copy RedNote profile link. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can copy your profile link on RedNote. In order to do so, first of all, open your RedNote application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Now here, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner of your screen to access your profile. And once you reach to your profile page, here you will be able to see the share icon, which is usually represented by an arrow facing upward at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. By doing so, at the bottom you will be able to see copy link option. Now you can simply tap on this option and then your link will be successfully copied. Now you can paste this link anywhere you want, in a message, email or social media post. After sharing the link, also ensure that your profile settings allow others to view your profile. So by following these steps, you can easily copy the profile link on RedNote. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.